kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia: ICT, computer programming, cyber security pamoja na digital animation and media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za plumbing na building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa electrical engineering, power option, electronic na telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia fashion design and clothing technology, hair dressing na beauty therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za health records, IT na community health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia human resource, business management na supply chain. January intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabu.tti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.
Nogani gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate misangirikano ya gisiasha, amatanga, chinyangi, chibirthday, misangirikano yechikanisa, baby shower, anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyumo, inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino, imejega ao bunabono housewarming parties, engagement parties egatie vinde vige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega ashirigo lidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikiri wiye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare nobo manyi wigoro igeti byete bwate signal ere enkongu iyigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikiriwe nabukulika jumbenge wigo gwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigu yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Wairebia umwanchwa omurigereria andonsi asoto tengerete kurwa charagire chinsa 10 ngokwaregania erio tukumanye ekionga chinsa 10 unabereka gwateka kurwa chinsemo au nigo tukubwaterana Reven Nyaboke kurugaria sensemo yebimanyererio elikwane kibuna ngo yanyorore onsi asenchira yoboikirano ekionga chinsa 10 nigo tuguchaka kurwa ase bunge yabo machoge borabu magega yechiskuru kugendera kubwata emiriro ase chinsemo au anene imeyoro gongorwa gusi nigo iskuru y'abanyaruka ya magena yabetege kubwata umuriro aburi tukurigoro ase abaibuli baba bakubuka emambi na gwika ase iskuru yo muna enchera yamo yokurututa aborokiwa babo muna mbarebya kurende mbanyoretiri bagali yogoswa ase iskuru yo nigo babaire bakwemurungani mono bakuburia banyareko buri bagali yogoswa ase iskuru yo nakorora abana babo ase bono umuriro yo abete kugutiga umorokiwa yomo kabwate chingoma chintindi asagendete kurwanirira obugima bwaye ase nyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital.
Asa marieta nkuru kwa Nastansha Nyanjera seitera ari kiumbu umwana one nwagosoma magera agaiga ari form 4 ugurugudoro timura eyarenge sene chabo tukeke na kuri gasiane ngakirwe siminga magena yaire ngario muntu gwe pikipiki yakande tabaka kingo ikankanyora baikire kolimi lakini abasigari barenga na bagambi bagatoseri bagateba togendra kini abana baitomba umiete tukaenda bakakwirende bosongo tukachikorra abana level 6 tukachikorra umwana oyetore ngororo lakini ntuige tikomorora bagatotoche gasa mbiri cheke mambi twachire gasa mbiri cheke mambi nande batosiekerete nisikotore sisoje chigase ne batoi boko nganto chikorora abana bone tore no mukumi omonene tokoboria abagambi baito simba arati omugambi tukitwa kweto bugamba mune gavana gagyo tar wancho iche nyogotegete tamu yakabererende oicho toriye skuru ya magena otofense ribuya asa abana chinyaruka baito tokoreta twabeka na twaba comfort pastor nga abana ne skuru bare omugambi tororanga mabere kyare tutigete chigasi no torega
Nchasa Marieta, She Monderi, omwana one gari skulu ya magena, oikire form 3. Ripoti ya karego tojera magoro bantu anyorete gisimi. Togachicha. Lakini otwera netigunga tojera ro mambia. Obane bwa mangana twajire rero, lakini morembe ntori koegwa. Twaibura abana baito omoro no bwate school, ba umire. Ntoraro abana baito nga moyo bare gose mbakure. Ngosa baiga. Oboteneneri bwe skuru to buororo ka moibori buororo aroro umwana oye amayenga moya ari gose muna bono mubwe kanonda abori ngonko gendanka ntamayiti umwana one gose moya ari gose gakwete ngio moibori mwalimu bwe skuru ancho to buororo be oto abana baito to barigereri to manya gose mbu yabari
Mwanchumu ligereria ekeroto gutigana nayo yeskuru ya magena nigo tokwenda gwika ase county ya Nyamira ase gati ya basaikorwa county yo babere bagokora ukurubikana ku mulembe ime yomuchi unyamira bakwemurunganiria obutumikyo bobe bwechibesa ime ye county yo abasabu nigo baganiri omugavana bwe county ya Nyamira umuski Amos Muminyaribo anyareko bakawesokya na gukwanira chibesa anene echo abetega konyora kurua ase bengi ya World Bank na boigo chigendre gose magendero ki chabere chigokora ime ye county yo ya Nyamira.
Tunasema Nyaribo sababu hata hiyo barua imetoka World Bank imeandikiwa Nyaribo. Ile pesa ambayo ingesaidia wananchi, barabara zijengwe, wananchi wapate maji safi, wananchi wapate kazi nafasi, lakini yeye ameamua kwamba yeye hakule pesa ya wananchi. Na ndio sababu sisi tumekuja kumwambia kwamba hatutanyamaza.
Nyaribo must come out clear. Atuambie sisi kama wananchi wa Nyamira, mbona World Bank imeban pesa yetu na bado amenyamaza kwa ofisi. Hivyo we must hold him to account until 2027.
Tunakuja utuambie mbona it's only in Nyamira that pesa ya World Bank inarudishwa. It's only in Nyamira mali tumekosa kwa exchequer ya financial year. We are coming. Na sisi tuko peaceful.
Nonye serikali yabetege kurwa ogochika buna aborokiwa bagende ase chiskuru nonyamba bwati ebintu byonsi bagukorera amasomo abo igati yabo school fees amo ne uniform nigo chisukuru chinyinge imeye county ya Kisii chitarachaka amasomo abo anene ase grade ya 10 neye nkubwatikana na makongu ao chisukuru echo chigendrete gwitira igati yabo no gutatwara ebitabu bya grade ya 10 nabo igo ugutatwara aborokia abaisaine ase chisukuru echo abo bagosomi abanabo ba grade ya 10 abarayikurwa ase ekiombe gya Kupet bakorabonere omurikyo munene Joseph Abincha nigo baburirie serikali enyareko bagikulika aborokia baisaine ase chisukuru na kubwatuka ebitabu bya grade ya 10 erikwana kinga aboroki wabo ngochaka bale amasomo abo.
We want the government to move with a lot of speed and employ more teachers on those areas, because kuna shule mingi zilichukua 3 pathways but they don't have enough teachers to teach those subjects. So we want the government to rethink, because wanafunzi wamefika mashule but there are no teachers. Up to now there are no classes that have started. So tunahitaji serikali ikimbia haraka na ifanye haraka ihakikishe ya kwamba hao walimu wameachiriwa kama jana.
Kusema watoto waende shuleni, sote tunaunga mkono kwamba watoto wote waende shuleni, lakini kwa wakati wa mpito tungeambia serikali kwamba ingetenga pesa kidogo kwa kila shule, angalau shule ziweze kuwapatia wanafunzi sare rasmi ya shule, kwa sababu mtoto akija shuleni bila sare rasmi anakuwa hajioni kama wenzake, inakuwa inaleta inequality shuleni na si vizuri kwa masomo ya mwanafunzi. Hivyo serikali ingetenga a special fund kidogo, wanafunzi waweze kupata sare kule shuleni, hata kama ni pea moja moja, wazazi wakijipanga, ili watoto wasijihisi kwamba kidogo wametengwa.
Na nasema ya kwamba kama tunataka watoto wetu wote waingie shule na wasome bila matatizo yoyote, serikali itafute mbinu ya kuhandle wanafunzi wote wa Kenya equally. Nambari ya pili ni walimu wetu waweze kuandaliwa vilivyo. Kuna masomo kama ya sanaa, masomo kama ya sanaa, michezo ambayo iko katika mtaala mpya wa elimu ya CBE, ambao unapata walimu
Wancho murigereria agotigana nayo umuraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto niga bagakora umuyiga bwogotianigwa kwa bana chiebina 15 ebekigambere kenene abo malietabo abetega kulikwa ase gazeti yanene ya serikali abo litukolia Jumanne ase nyumba y'ubura ya State House. Abana chiebina abo nigo bono baguchikomenta amubaro ase kigambero kurwa abana chiebina 25 na babere goika 42 banya nabo nigo Daktari William Ruto aberiga kubabulia gokora emirimo yabo aso bwasioko elikoleta obwasioko banene ase bigambero.
I, Baira Mongaya, a judge of the Court of Appeal, do swear in the name of the Almighty God to diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya, to impartially do justice in accordance with this Constitution as by law established, and the laws and customs of the Republic, without any fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, or other influence. In the exercise of the judicial functions,
I, Rachel Chepkoech Ngetich, a judge of the Court of Appeal, do swear in the name of the Almighty God to diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya, and to impartially do justice in accordance with this Constitution as per law.
I, Stephen Anderson Radido Okio, a judge of the Court of Appeal, do swear.
I, Lucy Mwihaki Njuguna, a judge of Court of Appeal, do swear in the...
Mother Kome, Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu, judges of the Superior Courts, members of the Judicial Service Commission, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I congratulate the 15 honorable men and women sworn in today as judges of the Court of Appeal, as you assume this high constitutional office in service of our Republic. Your appointment carries immense responsibility and profound national consequence. In accepting this
Ikiombe kelige kurigereria amang'ana yechisegi chegenka use gender based violence nigo giatebire buna abasubati 34% igoro yemia nigo bagwetera obuniriria amone chisegi chegenka kuru ekero bali emyaka 15 ukwana ekero gyokwena no roboti gocha asomura ibwense ekiombe ekyo gekoragunere Nancy Baraza nigo baburire chikamera cha CCTV kobekwa ase chinyomba cyo kwegokya nabo igo borendi gotingirwa ase chinyomba echo erikoene kibuna chisegi chegenka nabo igo boneriria ngo chibore gokyana.
They can scream and nobody turns up. In fact, we were told it is only dogs who come. Then which come. And then after the woman has died at the burial place, then everybody, this one we knew it was coming. And nobody reports to the police. Now the Citizen Obligation Act will take care of that. We have in mind the A, B, and Bs because we found this is where most of the femicides are taking place. There is no accountability. There are no records. We have the law on murder. And murder carries a mandatory sentence. Why do you want a femicide law? And we are telling them femicide is different. And if we treat it as any other homicide, then we miss out. And as I have said, Your Excellency, we miss out.
Naboigo ekiombegia Happiness Society of Kenya ekiukia beteke guchakiwa no yokabiru mugavana we county ya Meru omusike Kiraitu Murungi oyiboigole omunyakerugo bwe kiombekyo nigabere gakoralia guchyo kubwaterana ne skuru ya Institute of Certified Secretaries of Kenya nekiringa ekenene negyo kwa nekibuna abantu bonsi ingokora bale mirimo asicha bisije serikali amona chiria chiabanyene bale no mogoko boigo nigo abereka gotababuna ekiringa kende no guchugutwara abo bisa boko nekibuna abakoli emirimo bonsi ngochiko babale buya anenekero bagokora emirimo yabo.
The workplace. The workplace happiness program, because people are spending most of their life at work. Your home is just a dormitory where you go to sleep at night. Your 8 hours during the day. You spend your day there in a toxic environment. You are unhappy. You have quarreled with the colleagues, with the boss, and then you go home and you bring your unhappiness from work in home. We create a lot of unhappiness in our society. That's why we have decided to focus on happiness at work. You cannot have, I know, even companies are looking for profits and all that, but you cannot have profits with the workers who are not committed, workers who have not taken care of their emotional, psychological, and social needs. For them to be productive, the workers must also be happy. So time has come for the corporates, the companies in this country, not to focus exclusively on money and bottom lines, but also to look at the welfare of the employees as a critical component of success. They say that happier employees are more productive, and therefore they are better even for profits, for the companies.
We look forward to partnering with the Happiness Society of Kenya to provide benefits to our stakeholders, specifically institutions, whether public, private, or civil society institutions that we are involved in capacity building and providing other governance support services, because going forward we will be integrating this aspect of happiness in the governance agenda that we've been discussing. And at the Institute of Certified Secretaries, we run Champions of Governance Award. And
Wanchumo ligereria wikira unoto kubuturire nga chinsa 10 kurendekero charagire chinsa ibere Cyrus Nyakundi na chikuirana elia koletera yo amona yanda mange asenchira yo wikirano mbiamono yabene asinge nchogo charago tengera Getembe TV nigo tobwatiranire Vanessa nyaboke kurugalia sensemo yebimanyererio no yole kwenekia elio gine chibicha bya gwikire niga kuruku DJ Atsan nchanigo nkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto.